Assalamualikum OyaRahmatullahe OyaBarakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Now in this session we will try to discuss details of plastic money or e-cash. Details about the cards we are going to discuss in here. A plastic card which we are use for our payment, that is it may be debit card or credit card. This card has a size, has a radius. Now these types of matters we are going to discuss in here. The debit card or credit card size is 85.60 millimeter, that is length. Long 85.60 millimeter. 53.98 millimeter, it is wide, that is wide. Long 85.60 millimeter and wide 53.98 millimeter. Thickness of this plastic card is 0.76 millimeters. Corners and rounded with a radius 3.18 millimeter. Specifications for credit card numbering have been drawn up by the International Standards Organizations, ISO. So that is we are plastic card. What about we are discussing in here? That is our plastic money. Length 85.60 millimeter, wide 53.98 millimeter, thickness 0.76 millimeter, and radius 3.18 millimeters. And it has obviously ISO number. Credit card which we have, each credit card has a number obviously provided by the ISO number. Now we will see details on the front of a typical plastic card or debit card or credit card. It has a two side, front side and back side. At first we will try to see this front side and later on we will see the back side. On the front side we will see issuing bank logo. Issuing bank logo. Here is the bank logo. In here there is the bank logo. Card number. This is the card number. Here is the card number. Number 3. Card brand logo, such as Visa or MasterCard. In here is the Visa or MasterCard number. We will see later. This is here the examples. It has the expiry date and cardholder's name. That is the front of debit card. So in here this is the examples of a debit card or credit card you see in here. This is the Visa or MasterCard. That is the systems that we use for this payment system. That is the gateway. So here is simply describe or credit card. Here is the chip. This chip contains all the information about you. Here has the name of your issuing bank. That is the card number. In here, that has a card number. That is the font size. That is the front size. That is the front of debit card or credit card. Then expiration date. Here is the expiration date, which your card validity is over. Here has the card holder's name. And here has a here has the card brand logo, such as Visa or MasterCard. In here, there has a card brand logo. Here has the magnetic strip. That is the back side. There has the magnetic strip, signature, hologram, CVC code. Here is the CVC code and authorized signature. And here has the magnetic strips. That is the back side of our card. Back side of our card. So in this way you can see the contains. Then back side of debit card or credit card. Now we will try to discuss one after another. Magnetic stripe. The stripe on the back of a credit card is a magnetic stripe, often called a mag stripe. Information such as name of the card holder, expiry date, card number, etc. is written in this magnetic stripe. The magnetic stripe is read by sweeping past a reading head, and the information stored in is sent to the acquires bank. Signature stripe. The card holder signs on the signature stripe. The merchant needs to verify that the signature on the card matches the signature on the receipt. Card securely code or verification code or PIN number. Credit card validation CCV number. CCV is an authentication scheme. It consists of requiring a card holder to enter while doing credit card transactions. Chip card or EMV. EMV stands for Europay, MasterCard and Visa. EMV, Europay, MasterCard and Visa, is a global standard for cards equipped with computer chips and the technology used to authenticate chip card transactions. It is a small, metallic, square. You will see one cards that's computer chip, and it that will sets apart a new generations of card. However, it still relies on a physical card. These cards are also called a smart card, chip card, a smart chip card. Chip enables a smart card, chip and choice card, PIN word signature, EMB smart card, EMB card. So the here you see is a credit card or debit card has a chip. The chip is called EMV, that store your all the information as like your smart card or a smart national ID card. That is the EMV. EMV stands for Europay, MasterCard and Visa. Okay. And then now we will see analyzing our card number. So each has card number has a credit card or debit card has a number. Obviously this number has a meaning. Now we will see here as an example. There is a Citibank's MasterCard. So here there is the number 5466 1601 2645 5789. That is the first digit is the issuer number. Who is issue this card? That is Citibank. Four 6616 the bank number. That is the bank has a number. Bank has obviously number. Suppose as branch number. In this number contains the branch number 012645578. This is the account number. That is cardholder's account number and check digits. In the same way, there has another examples. There is the issuer number, bank number. This is the account number and check digit. This is your account number, bank number. In this numbers also shows the bank's branch number and account number. In here has the different message. That is a fixed account or a current account or savings account. Obviously this has also the message, and this is the issuer number, and there is a check digit. So credit card number has a lot of information. The number of digits in credit card varies from 13 to 19 depending on issuer. Note that in the section first digit mean the leftmost digit. We read number left to right. First 6 digits of the credit card represent the card issuer. First digit is called as the system number. It is the major industry identifier MII, major industry identifier, which represents the type of institutions that issue the card. For example, American Express, Diners Clubs. So this number actually Visa or MasterCard number. Here I say wrong. So this number should be the MasterCard number. MasterCard number. So the first digit is the American Express, Diners Club, etc., etc. The travel and entertainment category, Visa, MasterCard, and the banking and financial category. Different MMI are we have. So major industry identifier or cards. Digit 7 to last but one digit of credit card number is for account number. The last digit is the check digit. Credit cards numbers use check digit to guard your against mistakes and to check for validity. A check digit is a credit card number is used as it can determine if a person keys in a number incorrectly. If a credit card is scanned, it can determine the scanner made a mistake. The check digit is calculated based on some pattern and it is verified with the check digit on the card. If the check digit calculated matches the check digit on the card is valid. So in this way, the maximum length of the credit card number is 19 digit. Since the 7 digits are reserved account number filled in 19 7 to 19 and 12 or 12 digits. Each issuer therefore has a 1 trillion possible account number. And now how it works, how this credit card is work. For an example, Mr. Kumar wants to buy a TV with ICIC credit card or any other. Here as an example. So that is actually you can use the another names of the credit card or bank with the MasterCard logo. The shopkeeper at a Sony showroom sweeps the ICI credit card on a machine provided by SBI banks. Various parties involved when one uses plastic cards as we have to explain in here. So there has the related to several parties, card associations, merchants and acquirers in here. So card associations, that means who is a company is issuing this card, and associations of card issuing banks are Visa, MasterCard, etc., etc. Merchant, the individuals or business accepting the cards for the procedures, services for the card holders or card acceptors. Acquire, and organizations that collect the credit authorizations requirement for card acceptors, provides the guarantee of payment. The merchant sweeps the card on the acquirer sweep machines. He submits all the signed slips to the acquirers and collects payment from the acquirer. So in here you see Kumar wishes to purchase a TV. The shopkeeper Sony showroom sweeps the ICI credit card on the machines provided by the SBI bank. The example, Kumar is the card holder, ICI bank is the card issuer, merchant is the shopkeeper, Sony showroom, and SBI bank is the acquirer, and MasterCard is the card association. So here is related several things. Kumar is the card holder, ICI is the card issuer bank, and merchant is the shop, Sony showroom is the merchant, and SB bank is the acquiring fund, and MasterCard is the card association. So there is related several parties 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a transactions. They are related to the 5 or 6 parties for your payments. For the credit card and debit cards, there have the several terms we have for this, as like credit limit. That means there has the limit from your issuer bank. So in our country it is 50,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 120 lakh, 180 lakh, 150 lakh, 2 lakh, 250 lakh. So it depends on the different types of cards, has the different types of benefits, different kinds of credit limit, that means loan limit. So obviously platinum card has a greater amount or greater credit limit than gold card, and gold card has the greater limit than silver card. So it may be different from bank to bank, it may be vary from bank to bank, and it may be vary from card to card, that means platinum card or titanium card or gold card or executive card or classic card, etc., etc. So these has the different limits for the different banks. That is the credit limits, that means maximum amount that bank will give you to use, or loan to the maximum amount, loan to the to the maximum amount, loan to the maximum amount by the bank, that is the credit limit. And balances. So here is the balance. Balance means whenever you purchase things, and rest of your credit limit is called balance. In here, suppose you have a credit limit is 2,75,000 taka. You are purchasing televisions by 80,239.515 taka. So balance should be 2,56,761.85 taka should be your balance. That means you have a credit limit as like 1 lakh taka your credit limit. So you are purchasing a mobile from a shop by 30,000 taka. So your balance should be, after whenever you paid your mobile phone bill, then your balance should be 70,000 taka. So actually this is the balance. Now we will see billing cycle or grace period. Billing cycle, that means whenever you use the credit card, then a credit issuer bank will prepare a statement for you for providing the bill, and generally this is 20 to 25 days for your billing cycle ends. So sometimes it may be 25 days to 45 days or one month. So you have to pay the next month, as like you purchase in here by the 5th August. So you have to pay your bill, these 18,000 taka bills of the September 6th. Your billing period should be the September to 6th of September to last day of September. That is our billing cycle and grace period. After that, we will see annual percentage rate. Generally, whenever you use the credit card, then you have to pay due time. If you are not pay the due time, then you have to pay interest. And basically in our country, 2% per month you have to pay 2% interest per month. Actually that should be turned in the end of the year, it may be 36%. Generally if we calculate that would be the 24% per year, but that is compounding monthly. So effective annual rate obviously would be more than 24%. So if your bank charges 1% per month, then annual interest rate is 12% per year. Then incentives or rewards. Sometimes credit cards offers rewards or incentives for using their credit cards. Rewards come in several different forms: cashback or points to redeem and discounts. And here we will see types of cards. So there are the different types of cards: titanium cards, platinum cards, gold card, silver card, classic card, executive cards, and different cards offered by the different issuing bank. Then co-branded credit cards. So there has the co-branded credit cards, such as any other brand can offer
offer as like Standard Chartered Bank with the Grameen phone. So you have seen a logo of Standard Chartered Bank card in the left side. So in here we have a example that HDFC Bank as a retail service provider or goods provider, say Jet Airlines. So they are the co-branded co-brand credit cards. That means if you get several points, then this Jet Airlines will provide you for free trip. So if you use this HDFC bank cards and acquire several points as a fixed point, and then on behalf of this HDFC bank will provide you a free trip by the Jet Airlines. So these are co-branded credit cards. Annual fee. So every credit card has a annual fee. Sometimes it may be removed by your transactions, or sometimes you have to pay the annual fees or annual charges. Late fee. If your card bill is not paid in a due time, then you have to pay sometimes late fee. Cash advances fee, that you can call it the interest. That means you use your credit card and take it from your ATM booth, then you have to pay some interest or cash advances fee by the use of your card. Credit card provides a service or features called cash advances, which allows cardholders to withdraw cash through an ATM. So the maximum limit to which one can withdraw is called cash advances limit, which is expressed as percentage of card members' credit limits. A fee is charged for making a cash advances called a cash advance fee. Cash advances fee is 2.5% of the amount withdrawal or minimum amount. Please note, other than the one-time cash advances fees, one also has paid service charges or finance charges from the date of withdrawal until date of settlement. So here is a heavy cost bearing by the use of this. Over the limit fee. Over the limit charges are applicable when the total amount outstanding exceeding the card limit. Say if your card limit is 50,000 and you spend 52,000, then you would be charged for spending taka 20,000 extra. That is the overtime limit fee. Check bounce or invalid check fee. Giving an invalid check or a check being returned or bounced from your bank, it is charged each time your check is returned by the bank. To avoid it, make sure you have funds available in your account when you write a check for payment. It's like whenever you use your card and you have to pay check, and if your check is bounced, then you have to pay charges. So I have told you that.
Generally, so check bounce or invalid check fee is 2% of check due owner amount. So minimum 350 taka and maximum 500 taka. So that is the check due owner fee or check bounce fee. Foreign transactions fee, a fee charged on transactions made in foreign currency. It is charged every time you make a foreign transactions. Balance transfer fee. Balance transfer fee is a facility offering for all credit card issuing companies to cardholders, which enables them to transfer the existing outstanding balance or debit on a credit card to another credit card. So that has a fee you have to pay to the bank. finance charge. When a person chooses not to pay his credit card balance in full or does not pay or pays minimum, finance charges are payable at the monthly percentage rate on all transactions from the date of transactions and on all cash advances taken by the card member till they pay back. Finance charges depends on your card's average percentage rate, balance and method of calculating percentage finance charges. Late fee and finance charges in the credit bill. So please remember that the fees may vary for each card members and from offer to offer. The same is communicated to card member at the time of applying the credit card. So here you will see that different charges are charged from you if you use this e-cash or plastic money. Remember that. 1. Late fee and finance charges, credit card bill. 2. Finance charges. 3. Bill transfer fee. 4. Foreign transactions fee. 5. Check bounce or invalid check fee. 6. Over limit fee. 7. Cash advances fee. 8. Late fee. 9. Annual fee. So here APR. So at least you have to pay 5 to 10 types of fees and charges by the use of your debit card or credit card. Now you can compare which card is better or which company is better for using this. So there is the softwares in the several softwares in the one line, then you can use one of them to compare your credit cards. And lastly, we will see that according to the payment system or card associations, here is the several card associations, that is Visa, MasterCard, American Express or Amex, Eurocard, Dinner Clubs, Novas, Mondex Smart Card, JCB, dominate in Japan, that is the in Japanese, and there is a different types of our plastic money, credit card, debit card, prepaid card, ATM card or charge card. So actually these are the all about our plastic money. So here is a related huge amount of charges or fees or cost related matter. So you have to conscious about regarding your electronic money. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.